Hi, and welcome to our tutorial on creating SMS groups. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to efficiently set up and manage your SMS groups. So before we dive in, we need to make sure your SMS DID is enabled and linked to an active campaign. If you need help with this, feel free to reach out to our LNP team at lnpadmin@panterranetworks.com or contact our support team for assistance. Let's get started. All right, so now I'm logged into one of our demo accounts right here in the admin portal. Okay, so we'll start at the top navigation bar. We'll select account level service manager and then click on SMS groups. To create a new group, we'll go to actions and then select new group. We'll start by entering the group details. All right, so let's go with the name. I'll just name mine training. All right. You need to ensure it is set to SMS under group type. Next, we'll go with the group mail ID. You can enter an admin email address, or it could be a distribution list also. I'll just use my own email address for this video. All right, next we'll go with the group attributes. So we'll select state and area code from the drop-down menu. Let's go with Illinois. Okay. All right. So next we'll select the DIDs against the checkbox and click on Add. All right. You can choose the primary or default number for responding to SMS messages. Okay. All right. So next, we'll move on to adding users to the group. And it's fairly straightforward. You need to select the checkbox against the user's name. So in this case, I'll just grab a couple from here and then click on Add. All right. So next, we'll go to billing groups. So billing groups help manage billing statements for different office locations or specific groups. This section displays default and other invoice groups. So in this case, I'll just select the default group. All right. We'll go to actions and then click on save. We'll get a confirmation prompt. And we'll click yes to accept and actually apply the changes. All right. So next, let's move on to editing the group. All right, so from the same SMS groups section, we'll select the group in question. We'll go to actions and select edit. All right. So let's say I'm switching the primary SMS DID, right? Like this, right? Or maybe I'm removing one of our users. Once you've gone through the changes, we'll go to actions and hit save. All right, you'll get a confirmation prompt again, to which we'll click on yes to accept the changes we just made. All right. So one of the attributes I wanted to go over with you guys is this one. Allow users to change SMS DID. If you don't want users to send SMS messages from other numbers, you can change this to no. If the SMS group has only one DID, the setting won't affect anything. All right, so I'll just leave this as is for the moment. All right, So now let's move on to deleting an SMS group, which again is fairly straightforward. We'll select the SMS group in question, then move into actions and select delete. We'll need to confirm the deletion. We're going to pop up message on screen to confirm. Okay, so we'll just hit OK. And we'll even get a confirmation message once the group is successfully deleted. All right. Now, keep in mind, deleting an SMS group does not remove users from the account. They remain listed in the account pool and can be added to other groups. Okay. And that's it for creating, editing, and deleting SMS groups. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it makes managing your SMS campaigns a breeze. Thanks for watching.